I thought I'd do a quick demo of cutting some tubes with the new tube cutter, the Star Window Shade tube cutter. Stick the tube into the machine, tighten up the right end on it, aligning the blade with where I want to cut the tube. I do find it easier to cut the tube with a support in there. I've made the support long enough to go through both of the supports, both end supports on the tube cutter, so that if I'm cutting a short tube, I can stick a longer tube on the left end of the dowel that's inside the tube, and that way both end supports on the cutting machine end up being used. So I just release the blade onto it. I've installed a handle on it to push backward to give it a little bit of pressure on the blade as I turn it. And that's a cut right there. If I want to change to, that's a 1-inch diameter, 1/8 inch wall, 3/4 inch tube. If I switch to a heavy wall tube, this is 1 1/8 inch diameter. Takes just a little bit more to cut it, but not a whole lot. This is the heavy wall NEPT tube, 3/4 inch. And then if I switch to a Pyro Direct 1 1/4 inch OD tube, this has the 1/4 inch walls. These tubes come with sort of an uneven end on them. So the first thing I'll do is trim that uneven end off of there. Set the tube to whatever length I want to cut it to. Tighten it back up on it. Release the blade. There's the tube, and it's a really slick, smooth cut end. So the bottom line is this tube cutter has turned out to be the bomb, no doubt about it.